Seeking an effective crash course for SSC 2024? Look no further. Welcome to the Siddique Memorial Tutorial Home, where we offer comprehensive courses tailor-made to your needs. Let's delve into the details of our two specially curated packages. We have designed these packages with the aim of helping you ace your exams and get a step closer to your dreams. First up, we have Package 1. For a fee of only 3,000 taka, this package offers an in-depth exploration of the sciences and mathematics. The subjects included are physics, chemistry, biology, higher mathematics, and mathematics. Each subject is carefully broken down by our expert tutors to ensure you grasp the fundamentals and the complexities with ease. Moving on to Package 2. This one focuses on language and mathematics. It includes Bangla, English, and mathematics. This package is ideal for those who wish to strengthen their language skills and mathematical abilities simultaneously. Each package consists of more than 150 classes, with a daily exam to reinforce your learning. But that's not all. We also offer solve classes, where our tutors will work with you to solve complex problems and answer any questions you may have. To top it all off, we conduct a full model test to ensure you are well prepared for the actual SSC examination. Now, you might be wondering why you should choose Siddique Memorial Tutorial Home. The answer is simple. We believe in providing quality education at an affordable price. Our tutors are dedicated and experienced, and our courses are meticulously designed to cater to your needs. We understand that every student is unique, and we strive to nurture that uniqueness. Our courses are not just about passing exams. They are about understanding, about learning, and about growing. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards success. Enroll in our SSC 2024 crash course today and get ready to conquer your dreams. Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. And we, at Siddique Memorial Tutorial Home, are here to help you prepare. Believe in yourself, have faith in your abilities, and let us guide you on your journey to success. Enroll today. Contact with us. Mobile 016095822230, 018930563661.